Hey guys, it's Strings Away. Today I'm just going to do a quick video to show how to make Haunter's little claw. It's a little bit hard to describe what to do in writing, so I thought I would just show it. So I already made one claw, pinned it on there. We're going to make a second one. First thing we'll do is just get started. We'll do our little slip knot there. And it starts out with making a chain of 6. Alright, next we're going to go back in the opposite direction and do 5 single crochets. Alright, so there's one finger. We're going to repeat that whole thing 2 more times, so 6 slip stitch. And then 5 single crochet going in the opposite direction. All right, last time, chain 6 and 5 single crochet. Now we just have to make the kind of like the hand or the palm. I'm just going to do 1 slip stitch to give a bit more room, and then we're going to do 3 single crochets in the spaces made at the base of each finger. So there's going to be 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're going to do a turn chain, turn the work, 3 single crochet in the spaces that we just did there. Okay, turn chain, and then this next row is just going to be 2, so we'll do a single crochet and then a decrease, turn chain, and then 2 single crochet in those stitches. Alright, and that's it. We're actually done the claw. So I'm going to cut it off, leaving a decent tail for attaching. When I attach it, I kind of want it to be a little bit forward. It's not too far back under Haunter, otherwise you can't really tell like what that is. Too far forward looks a little bit weird, so somewhere kind of in the middle. So you can see a little bit of where the hand's coming from, but also the claws. So I'd pin that on and then sew it together, and then all that's left to do is the face. Alright, hope that video was helpful to you guys, and I hope you enjoy making your own Haunter. Bye!